To remove either of the rear doors on your vehicle, first roll down the window to prevent any damage. Find the supplied toolkit inside the center console and use the number 50 Torx head driver to remove the hinge pin screws from the upper and lower outside hinges of the door. The screws can be stored in the cargo tray under the Wrangler's rear load floor or in the fastener bin below the Gladiator's rear seat. Next, slide the front seat fully forward on whichever side you're removing the rear door. To remove both rear doors, slide both front seats forward. Find the plastic wiring access door at the bottom of the B-pillar. Pry off the access door and remove it. Now it's time to disconnect the wiring harness. First, pull the cloth strap off the hook to provide more slack. Then, unlock the wiring connector by squeezing the tab at the base of the harness and pull straight down to unplug it. Store the wiring connector in the lower door basket. Finally, use the number 40 Torx head driver to remove the check screw from the center door check and store it with the hinge pin screws. You can now open the door, lift it clear of the hinge pins, and remove the door. Keep in mind, these doors are heavy. The help of a second person is recommended. Please use caution during removal and reinstallation. To reinstall the doors, carefully reverse these removal steps. You'll note a longer pin on the upper hinge. This helps guide the door into place during reinstallation. With the door back in place and still open, align the check bracket with the hole. Insert and tighten the check screw with the number 40 Torx head driver. Next, reinstall both outside hinge pin screws with the number 50 Torx head driver. Reattach the wiring connector by seating it straight into the harness until it clicks into place. Now, just reattach the cloth strap to the metal hook and replace the wiring access door. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.